Okay, you can open it. Go ahead, all the way.
Oh, it's a book. It's hook gloves.
Yeah?
Hook gloves. Maybe I should try them on.
Think so?
Yeah.
Well, get it open. Open the box.
This is a little. It's so strong, like it's almost like a hook.
It's a what?
Nothing.
Say it louder.
I'm nothing.
Jason, say it.
It's.
It's.
Nothing. It's a little too big.
Think it's a little too big.
Yeah.
Well, where you going? You only got one. Go ahead, smash the box. Yeah. You like it?
It doesn't do nothing in that box.
That's because you didn't hit it hard enough.
That hard enough? This made it chip up.
Well, do what you gotta do. Yeah, you like it? Yes? No?
I do. Oh, look, Mom. Look how I punch.
Awesome. You do hook smash? Let me see. Do it to the box. Oh, what does he say? That's not the box. That's the paper. Do it to the box.